Greetings, you are on the Bear Armory channel. Today we will talk about a quite rare and powerful air gun PL-1 Lighthouse. Of course began to find out what he is. Let's go. And so this gun was produced at the factory of Lighthouse in Ukraine. As it turned out they were issued in small numbers and therefore rare. The first thing that catches the eye is the appearance of this gun. It looks more like a nail gun or an injection gun than a pneumatic gun. There were two variants of these made, on the left PL-1 Magnum beacon, on the right PL-1 beacon. There were attempts to release another variant, but something didn't work out there. The PL-1 is powered by regular CO2 cans and is loaded with 4.5mm spherical bullets. The gun is loaded in the following way. On the bottom of the grip there are two bolts. The bolts are unscrewed and the corresponding compartments are loaded with bullets and CO2 canister. Then the whole thing is set in place and the gun is ready for firing. The magazine of the gun holds 15 bullets. A little bit about the specifications, which I am sure you will be amazed, especially for such a kid. The Magnum version has a shot speed of 682 FPS and the regular version has 623 FPS. I think a great result for a gas pistol. One 12-gram bottle of CO2 yields 30 shots. The weight of the loaded gun is 450 grams, length 115 millimeters, height 115 millimeters, thickness 24 millimeters. Also, from the information found on the internet, it is said that this air gun simply pierces through the bottle, leaving even holes. Many people would have a logical question: why this air gun did not go into a large series? Yes, simply because of its appearance. It is worth noting that there are almost no sights on the gun. There is only some rib and that's it. There is a safety which can be clearly seen on the photo. Notch with yellow color is a safety that switches up and down. The gun can shoot fast, but the balloon does not let it do that. If it fires 15 pellets at once, the balloon freezes instantly. To be honest, I have never seen such air guns on sale. Taking into account the low seriality of this machine, we can assume that we will never see it, because most likely such guns are scattered among collections, but still I managed to find one example on an online auction. The only thing is that it needs a little service and its price is $130. How do you like this air gun of Ukrainian production? Be sure to share your opinion in comments. Friends, if you liked the video, then support me by like and subscribe to the channel, but be sure to click on the bell not to miss new videos. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Thanks to all, bye bye.